warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, Master Gracious, Master Merciful. Honorable Chief Guest Sir, respected Director Sir, respected Principal Sir, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am Shahwaz Alam. I am going to present my views about before you. Today, we all are here to celebrate 71st Republic Day of our nation. This is a great and auspicious occasion for all of us. We should greet each other and pray to Allah for the development and prosperity of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year on 26th of January as the Constitution of India since 1950. India is a democratic country where public is authorized to elect its leaders to lead the country as the constitution came into force on this day. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was our first president of India. We got independence from the British rule in 1947. Our country has developed a lot and prosperity of our nation. Together with some developments, some drawbacks have also arisen, such inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, etc. We need to take a place for solving such problems in the society to make our country a best country of the world. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.